What if I told you that just 1 hour every morning could completely change your health? A healthy morning routine can boost your energy, improve your mood, help you stay fit, and even increase your productivity. In today's video, I'll show you the perfect morning routine anyone can follow. The first habit is waking up early. Morning sunlight helps regulate your body clock, improves your mood, and gives you a fresh start to the day. Try waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Number 2, drinking water. After sleeping for several hours, your body becomes slightly dehydrated. Drinking 1 or 2 glasses of water first thing in the morning helps rehydrate your body, supports digestion, and wakes up your brain. Number 3, stretch your body. Spend just 5 minutes stretching your body. Gentle stretches improve blood circulation, reduce stiffness, and prepare your muscles for the day ahead. Number 4, morning walk. If possible, go outside for a short walk. Even 10 to 20 minutes of walking can improve heart health, reduce stress, and increase your energy levels. Number 5, meditation. Take 5 minutes to relax your mind. Close your eyes, breathe slowly, and focus on your breathing. This simple habit can reduce stress and improve your mental health. Number 6, healthy breakfast. Never skip breakfast. Choose foods rich in protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Eggs, oatmeal, Greek yogurt, fruits, and nuts are excellent choices that keep you full and energized. Number 7, plan your day. Take a few minutes to plan your day. Write down your most important tasks. Having a clear plan reduces stress and helps you stay focused. Number 8, learn something new. Instead of checking social media immediately, spend 10 minutes reading a book or learning something new. Feeding your mind with positive information creates a productive mindset. Number 9, morning exercise. If you have time, do a short workout. Just 15 to 20 minutes of exercise can improve your mood, strengthen your body, and increase your metabolism. Number 10, prepare healthy meals. Prepare healthy snacks or lunch before leaving home. Planning ahead helps you avoid unhealthy fast food during the day. And lastly, avoid your phone. Avoid using your phone during the first 30 minutes after waking up. Give your brain time to wake up naturally instead of being overwhelmed by notifications. A healthy morning doesn't have to be perfect. Start with 1 or 2 habits and build your routine over time. Small changes every morning can lead to a healthier, happier life. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who wants to live a healthier life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.